Hi. Well, would you look at that? Looks like our other half has given us some tickets. We might as well be using them. Also, as you can see, we're starting to work on Peach Grove, but we're gonna make it look better and prettier. Yeah, we're all doing it together. Alright, hi, Orville. We wanna fly. Time for takeoff. Everyone, this is Dodo Tower. We'll be copying out welcome these wings over. Roger, ready when you are, let's go. Alright, I've been ready for my part, man. Oh, man, it's raining. Oh, man, I'll tell you what, man. What a day. Anyway, you didn't find any tools to travel, go trap the bees and catch the trees. And in this case, run, because there's a wolf on this island. Ah, you don't say. What a terrible first ticket. I'll tell you what, man, but this ticket might suck, but might be other good ones out there, man. You never know. We might actually get one of the animals we actually had. You know what is depressing more than this rain right now, Wilbur? Yeah, what's that, man? Chrissy attended at the hotel yesterday. It made me sad. And there was a camper yesterday, but there's no other good animals in there. Now, I wanted Chrissy to be in the campsite, not at the hotel. No, she just wanted to visit. I hate the hotel. It's useless and pointless, and you can't do anything with it. I hate it. Alright, then we listened to some folk song and Stovetop found a ballpoint pen. I don't know how, I don't know where. And now we've been missing all of our music, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah, well, we're going home. You go home? Oh, yeah, man. You ready to go home? Let's just dip. Alright, we dipping. Lift it out. Remember, Oscar, Whisker, Delta, get on the plane. This place is a bust. That place sucked. Yeah, man. Man, you know what? This rain never settles. Ain't nothing having a good day today, man. I'll tell you what. Oh, yeah, that was a good one. Ew. Who else is here to disappoint us? Ah, yes, Ed. Not like you're at our campsite a couple of days ago. Stupid horse. The only proper horses we care about right now is Colton and Renee. What about Cleo? Ah, she's his stalker. But that's fine. Really? Is that a movie canon or what? I guess. I don't really care. Man, you in a sour mood today. What do you think? I saw Chrissy on our island without being on a campsite. What do we find Doc? You never know, man. We got one more ticket. I hate country music. Oh, man, you in a sour mood today. What? Man, you are soaring pansies right now. Yeah, he's in a bad mood today. When is Dr. Shepard ever not in a bad mood? He's always in a sarcastic mood. Yeah, man. Last ticket, oh, joyous. Make me disappointed more, Orville. Here we go. Man, thanks for missing my dialogue, man. Even though it doesn't really matter, man. But well, right, we're down in the final island. You gonna get disappointed, so let's get disappointed together. Goodness, is we're on Money Rock Island. Joyous. I'm so happy. Look at the bird. Look, everybody, it's a bird. Yes, quite. Big giant eagle. Ugh. Anyways. Look, we got a book. Look, guys, we got a book. Now, Dr. Shepard can read this anytime he wants to. What? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Ha! Dr. Shepard, come on. Freaking pay attention. No. I don't wanna. Hang on a second. Sorry, what? Oh no, don't mind us. We're just making a cue for our music list. Don't ask what type. You're in the wrong spot, Dr. Shepard. Don't you think I know? Assistant. Oh, you acknowledged me. Why are you even here? We worked together, remember? It's not in the movie yet. Oh, okay. But the movie is gonna still happen, yeah? We need a certain someone. And I'm itching to get him. And his... And... Whatever. Oh, man. It's not good when Sonic gets depressed. He's usually cheery. You would think. Pillbug. What rocks did we hit, Sonic? All of those. Yeah. Don't question it. Anyways, silly old eagle on this stupid island, so let's dip. Quickly dip out of here and never come back to where we don't belong. Hello, eel. Get away from me. Ah! He's hostile. Taking this reference. Mine. I'll tell you what, man, this expedition sucks. Cotton swab? Why do you need a cotton swab stovetop? You don't need to clean nothing. Anyways, we dipping. Let's go. Here's my new catchphrase, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially dipped. And we are officially dipping out of here. Let's go. Okay.